It's important to be a good listener, but for Leah Moran and Ada Lipford, it is a requirement. The two graduate students in the LSU School of Renewable Natural Resources are eavesdropping on a group of secretive marsh birds to get a census count on how many of these creatures are located in a certain area.
Secretive marsh birds are not like songbirds that you hear during the morning. They don't really call at all. You don't see them. You don't hear them. So we have to elicit a call from them so we can see whether they are in the area.
They send out 8 calls during a 13-minute span and listen for 5 specific birds.
It will tell us an estimate of numbers of our 5 focal species, which are king rails, clapper rails, common gallinules, purple gallinules, and least bitterns.
Because of the many coastal restoration projects ongoing, researchers want to know if they are providing good habitat for wildlife native to the marsh. So far, preliminary results are mixed.
Some of the created marshes are full of secretive marsh birds and other species and are providing awesome habitat for them. Other created sites are not as much.
The environment in the coastal marshes is often in a state of flux, but major storms such as hurricanes can alter the area quickly.
There was one site that I went to that was a pretty good patch of marsh, and when I went out the year after Ida, it was just completely gone. There wasn't even any grass sprigs sticking up.
The data they are gathering will provide a baseline for areas and could be used for comparison after a major event occurs, such as an oil spill or hurricane. With the LSU AgCenter, this is Craig Gautreaux reporting.